In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Yahoo email name. Let's begin by navigating to the Yahoo login page. Once you're there, you'll want to type in your Yahoo email address in the designated field. This step is crucial as it allows Yahoo to recognize your account and proceed with the login process. After entering your email address, go ahead and click the Next button. This action will take you to the password entry page. Remember, for security reasons, always ensure your password is kept confidential. Now, enter your password. If you've forgotten it, you might need to go through Yahoo's password recovery process before you can proceed. Once you've inputted the correct password, click Next again, and this will log you into your Yahoo account. You'll be directed to the main mail interface where you can check your emails and access your settings. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you should see your profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Account Info. This area contains all your account details and settings. In the Account Info section, look for and click on Personal Info. This is where you'll be able to see and edit your personal information, including your email name. Keep in mind that while you can change your display name, your email address itself will remain unchanged. Here, in the Personal Info section, look for your current display name. This is where you can edit it to your new desired name. Once you've typed in the new name you want, make sure it's appropriate and correctly spelled, as this is how others will see it when you send emails. After confirming your choice, you'll need to save these changes. To do this, simply click on Done. This action finalizes your edits, and from now on, your emails will reflect this new name when they're sent to others. And that's everything. With these simple steps, your Yahoo email display name is now updated. Taking the time to ensure your display name reflects exactly what you want to say can provide personal satisfaction and lead to clearer professional communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.